So we'll start with the greenery, and the whole idea is to basically cover your foam. So we just want to insert the greenery into the sides, because remember, this is a 360-degree flower arrangement, so people will be able to see it from all sides. So you'll insert your stems in the foam. And for now, you don't have to worry a whole lot about fluffing up your greenery. At this point, placement is really the priority. Generally speaking, you'll want to make sure you have at least 3 pieces of each style of greenery or flowers that you purchase at the local craft store. Because again, it is a 360-degree arrangement, and you want to basically show similar flowers, similar greenery on all sides of the arrangement. So if you don't buy enough, then you won't be able to have that consistent look throughout your arrangement.